Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new King's 7-inch laser driving lights. Now I've gone with the 7-inch driving light because that's what's going to fit the bull bar on my car. The bigger light doesn't quite squeeze in. So we're going to be unboxing these ones. I've also got coming the 7-inch lethal lights. I'm going to be doing a bit of a comparison in an upcoming video between the lasers, the lethals and the eBay lights that are currently on my car. I've been looking at these for quite a while. They have been up there in price, but I kind of like the look of the centre thing. So we're going to see which one's best. These ones claim that they have 1 lux at 1,618 metres. We'll be putting that to the test in another video. Let's get into it and see. So this is how they came in the mail. They came in the box with the stickers on the back here, my address and where it's got to go. Not really that secure. That's how they came in the mail. So yeah, not super secure. Anyone could have opened them up and whatever. They know what I'm getting. So we open it up and they come packed like that. Now, one of the first things I noticed is that they are a fairly heavy light. They've got a bit of weight to them, which doesn't feel cheap and nasty. So let's pull one out here. If I can get them out. So they each have their own individual box. Packing is pretty decent. They are well packed. Probably would have liked to have seen them come in another box a little bit more secure. We've got packing. We've got a 24-month limited warranty card with a help number on there to call if you need to make a claim. So we're putting that one aside and keeping that nice and safe. Now, one of the first things that I see here, they have the King's plug. Now, I don't know if you can get that plug anywhere else. I would have to check up and look. But it means you may want to get the King's wiring harness. It is a nice heavy duty cord on it for the current draw of these lights. Now we've got some decent bolts here. Let me have a look. They may rust over time. They're not gal. They look like they're only plated. We'll have to see how they go. There's a rubber mount, plastic mount, and a little Allen key. So pretty much everything except a socket that you need to put these lights together. Coming to the actual light itself, and now that I've seen that, I actually really like the look of that. It looks mean. It looks nasty. I do like that they've gone to the black Kings on there so that it doesn't stand out on the front of your car. Everything on the front of my car is black, silver, whatever. I do like that. They look very, very rugged construction. They do have videos where they say that they are tough as nails and things like that. The bracket looks nice and strong. There's a little, seems to be a breather hole on the back there, which is probably a really good idea. So yeah, that's one of them. I could actually picture that mounted on the front of my car. Let's grab the other one out and get the pair happening. Again, okay, that's really interesting. So we get the warranty is per light. So we have a warranty card for each light, not one warranty card for the pair. Again, the same little screws, which is something that you would expect. And again, a very nice looking light. So, plugs that'll go into your King's wiring harness. Quite well packed. And a nice looking light. They seem to have a lot of cooling fins on the back to keep them cool. I like the look of that. So there's the unboxing of the King's 7-inch laser driving light, front and back. And turn them both to the front. Now look out, upcoming video, I'm going to be comparing these with the Lethals and with the eBay cheapie light that's currently on my car. Guys, get out there, have fun 4-wheel driving. Remember, hit that like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.